Let's dive into 10 superfoods that fight aging. First up, we have blueberries, packed with antioxidants. These little berries help reduce inflammation and improve skin health. Next, let's talk about avocados. They're full of healthy fats. These fats keep your skin moisturized and youthful. How about spinach? It's a powerhouse of vitamins. Packed with iron, it boosts your energy and skin glow. Don't forget about salmon. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These acids help keep your skin elastic and hydrated. Next up, we have nuts. They're great for your heart. Nuts provide vitamin E, which is essential for skin health. Lastly, dark chocolate is a delicious treat packed with antioxidants. It helps improve blood flow and keeps your skin radiant. Incorporate these superfoods for a youthful glow.